Hi CS50. Today I will be showing you my final project or capstone, which is called zip.it. It is a messaging application that allows multiple people to chat on different chat channels. It uses Django, Python, and SQLite 3 on the back end, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Django templates on the front end. So let's get right into it. The first thing I'll be showing you is the add channel function. First, I'll click the channels button. And then if I scroll down, I will see that it gives me an option to add a channel. Now, if I type the name of the channel I want to create, channel A, and then I click the button to add the channel. So now above I can see all the channels. And if I click one of them, for example, the channel called Channel A that I just created, then it will redirect me to a page where I can text everybody in the channel, which is only me right now. So now that I've created a channel, I now want to add people to that channel so I can chat with them. To do that, I will click on Invite in the nav bar, and then I will type the name of the other user I've created here previously, Bob. I will then select a channel, the channel I created previously, channel A, and I will click Invite. After I click the Invite button, I can go over to Bob's perspective and click on Invites button, and then I will see an invite inviting me to the channel I just created. If I click this button, if I click accept, then it will redirect me to a page where I can chat with the other people in the channel. After finishing loading this page, I can see that there is a big white space on the top that shows all the messages, even though there are none right now. I can also see there is a section at the bottom, a form that prompts me to send a message. So let's send a message now. I will type in hi, and then actually, first I think I'll get into the channel on the other one by clicking into the channel as we did before. And then now if I send this, if I wait a few moments and then scroll down on the other person's screen, if we pretend that these are two screens, then we can reply saying, hey. I can do all this on mobile too. If I go into developer tools, and I used this before, so it's already on it already shows as a different device. But I can do essentially everything I did on laptop and computer. So I can send a message, so send on mobile, and and the other person will receive it. And I can receive messages too, so like message, and then it will show the message. As stated in the requirements, my web application is required to use Django on the back end and also have at least one Django model. If I exit the developer tools and then log out and then log in as an admin and then go to the admin page, I can see that I have not one but 5 Django models. That's almost all about it for my project, but I just want to make it clear that my final project is not a social network, and it is not based on any problem sets in this course. My final project is not a social network because it is a communication tool for texting other people. When compared to social networks, it does not have posting, commenting, or liking, which are the basic features most social networks have. On top of that, a social network usually includes many features that allow for networking. My application is merely an application with one feature in mind: texting. Texting may be part of a social network, but by itself it is not one. That's it for my final project, zip.it. Thanks for listening.